Good morning, Bruno.
The rice fields are shining like
Gold today.
Then it's the perfect day to harvest.
Papa Bruno, can we help today?
Of course. Everyone's part of the team.
It feels like a golden sea.
And we're the sailors of rice. Careful with your paws, little ones.
It tickles, Papa. Bless you. The rice is flying everywhere.
Looks like we're harvesting the air now.
You always pack the best lunch, Bruno.
Chef Bruno never disappoints.
It's heavier than me.
That's because it's full of hard work.
Tomorrow we'll clean and cook them.
Yes, little chef.
Harvest complete. Hey, you're washing each other, not the rice.
Well, clean helpers make clean rice.
Look, the wind's helping us.
Nature's our best teammate.
Chef Bruno, ready for the grand meal?
Let's make dinner that even the moon will smell.
We're little chefs too.
And the best ones I know.
Looks like we made flying rice.
Next recipe, sky porridge. Perfect. Tastes like teamwork and sunshine.
And a little bit of sneeze.
Happiness grows when we share it.
Let's make everyone's tum happy.
Bruno, this is the best harvest meal ever!
Because it's cooked with love and laughter.
Today was perfect.
Tomorrow will be even better. When hearts work together, every seed becomes magic.
Wake up, sleepy bears. The sun's already smiling.
5 more minutes of dreaming about rice.
A clean yard means a clear mind.
And a shiny spoon.
Sweet rice cakes.
Aha! That's genius, little chef. Let's make enough for everyone in the village.
Gentle stirring, puppy.
Looks like he's making a tornado treat.
Squishy but adorable. Approved by the Squish Inspector. Smells like happiness because it's made with care and wagging tails. Every sweet carries a little love. And a few paw prints, too. Everyone deserves a meal.
Kindness is the best harvest.
And squirrels are our customers.
The Forest Cafe is open!
Ever, Bruno.
Because every day is special when we share it.
Meaning, the sky's singing.
Then let's dance to the rhythm of drops. In town, Bear Brand.
Cozy and cuddly version.
Oh, our house is sunshine inside.
Even clouds can't dim family warmth. The concert by the roof.
Then we'll dance between the drops.
Wept away. Not on my watch.
Now, little ones.
Heroes come in all sizes, even paw-sized.
Everyone deserves a warm corner.
Our porch is now a Tyne Ark. Rain tastes better with kindness.
And with milk mustaches. Look, Bruno, a sky bridge.
Nature saying thank you.
We didn't just save ducks. We shared hearts.
That's what real harvest means.
Bruno, hurry. The guests will come soon.
Big feast needs big hearts, not big speed.
Perfect. It looks like a fairy tale.
Because kindness makes everything shine.
Welcome to our humble harvest home.
Everyone gets sweets. No waiting.
Best orchestra ever.
And all trained by snacks.
Bless you, Bubble Chef.
Extra foam
for everyone.
Once, a single grain of rice grew into a mountain because hearts kept sharing it.
Like us today. They're tiny stars visiting us. The forest is dancing tonight. Even the smallest gifts shine bright.
Because they come from the heart. Under one sky, we share our light. Together forever, hearts shining bright.
Bruno, this was the best day ever.
It's the love we grow that never ends.